purple one.
It's on top of the fridge. I'll go get it.
Can you go get?
Sure, I'll go get it.
I gave one of my flashlights away at camp to a little girl in
Well, she is. Camille's just the
It was a
camper.
Bass Pro Shops.
Rant, I'm trying to get her on video, and your head's right dang in the way.
Okay, I'm gonna do one of you as an older child, like a child, and then one of you as a couple. Or I'll just read to both of you. Okay, do you want me to read about honesty, jealousy, Jesus, God's Son, Jesus' life?
It's all good.
Swing around again,
I'm just gonna
hamster.
find him.
Astral, though, swing around
Chapter
again. This is
39,
all about her
clothing
going upside down, swinging around, hitting her head on the rail. I'll show you
Chapter
right this
39,
time.
clothing for priest.
Mine can mill
Craft
the whining better.
craftsman made beautiful. Mom, I need a light.
She likes that wheel at bedtime.
The only group I've got moved down from the highest was in spelling. Reading I've always.
She's been running for a minute straight.
I'm gonna look at her class.
Okay, don't get them out. They'll pinch your finger.
Look, Camille said they're nice. They are nice if you don't
Touch them.
Yeah.
You never
I mean,
get them out?
those are shells, and I let Max have the shell, but.
Okay, no.
I'm just gonna.
Run for your life.
Grant, if you want to.
This is the Get Fit Hamster Triathlon. Oh my, Mom, I put on my video. This is the Get Fit Hamster Triathlon.
I like when she runs up her little tubes.
I saw their.
Bonk. Oh, by the way, her name's Coco.
Hey Max, you want to see a crab? Come here.
Okay, come with me and go look at her crab. I'll get
You
her on
want
the
to
video
pair
too.
crabs in water tomorrow?